Welcome to the topic 2 of 1 week online course on artificial intelligence from 1 December to 7 December, which is the part of FIP3 arranged by HRDC Hyderabad. Today's topic is variables and their types in Python. So let's take data types. In Python, all data has been associated with type. Type is not a little entity in the Python programming. Type is the function which decides the data types like string, string, integer, or boolean etc. Some data types in Python programming are listed as below. The number data types are int and float. Int contain integer numbers, whereas float contain the fractional numbers like 3.14, 0.34 etc. Bool is the data type which contain true or false value, boolean values. Strings is the another data type. String contain the string type of data, that is sequence of characters. Integer and float. Integer are the whole numbers, float are the fractional numbers, bool are the true and false value, whereas string contain only string type of data, that is sequence of character data. Then effect of data type on the operator results. Operator result operators has data type has lots of effect on the operator used. That is, int plus int produces integer type, int plus float produces float type of data, float plus int produces float data, like that. So if there is a significant effect of data type on the operators. Simple data types in Python. Number data type we discuss just in the previous slide, whereas where integer are the whole numbers, floating point number, boolean number, true false value, strings that are the that is the sequence of characters, are some data types, sample data types. Then type conversion. One data type can be converted into another data type. Just consider 3.3. If we use 3.3 as an integer int, then it will be converted as 3. Float 3 will be produces 3.0. Int in double quote 7 produces the 7 because it treated it as integer. But if we write int in quotation 7.0, which throws the error because it is not the string type, it is the integer type. Okay. Then variable are the name that can be point to the data, whose value can be changes continuously throughout the program. The assignment operator equals to are used to assign some values to the variables in Python programming. Variable have some rules for the variable name, that is it contains letters, numbers, underscore, and must start with a letter. When variables is evaluated, it produces the value of the data that it points to. For example, my variable equals to 5, my variable will produces the 5 value. If we add 10 in my variable, then it will produces 10, 5 plus 10, that is 15. So we must assign some value to the variable when it is declared. Then let's consider an example. Here radius is a variable, pi is a variable, area is a variable, and print is a function. Radius have value 10, pi that is 3.14, and the area of circle is pi r square, that is we are printing the area of circle, pi into radius into radius. When we print the area, it will print the area like 314.15. Okay, so this is the topic 2. Thank you.